Hello students, this video is going to be short. It's related to the agenda from the previous lesson and it's 5.1a. However, there was a little mistake on the second exercise and so I'm repeating it in here. If you need to pause in case you don't have the agenda, go ahead and pause the video, but I think you already have it. So the second exercise says you have one coin, two red marbles. Since I don't have them, I drew them here. 5 black marbles and 3 green marbles. You flip the coin and choose one marble at random, okay? So what are marbles? Marbles are also called canicas or chibolas. So in here, we're going to find the sample space. So the sample space, remember, is that the list of all the possibilities. So we know that we have 2 red, 5 black, and 3 green. And so what we're going to do is that for the coin, there are only 2 possible outcomes, heads or tails. And so we're going to put that in here on the first row. The second thing or action that you do is to choose one of the marbles, okay? So you have 2 possible for the red because there are 2 of them. You have black, the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth, the fifth. And for the green, we just use G, G1, G2, and G3. So what you need to do for the sample space is the list of combinations. So you might have HR1, whoops, HR1, or HR2, meaning the second red marble, HB1, HB2, HB3, H meaning heads, and then the fourth black, heads with the fifth black marble, heads with G1, heads with the second green marble, heads with the second green marble, and heads with the third green marble. And if you notice, it's going to be the same thing for the tails, except, so that means that you will have the same list, but instead of having heads, it will be tails. So you can actually, just by looking at the pattern, just do the same thing, but replace the H with T. So tails with the first red marble, tails with the second red marble, tails with the first black marble, tails with the second black marble, tails with the third black marble, tails with the fourth black marble, tails with the fifth black marble, tails with the first green marble, tails with the second green marble, and tails with the third green marble. Okay, so my sample space includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 possible outcomes, okay? 20 possible outcomes. Again, in the future, when we don't need to have the actual list of possible outcomes, what you can do is for the first, when you flip the coin, there are 2 possible outcomes, multiply by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 possible outcomes. When you choose the marble, it's equals to the total of 20 possible outcomes in this sample space. Okay, so this is for future reference, but for now, In this homework, remember that you do have to include every single item in this sample space. With this, we end our lesson. If you can please support the channel by giving us a thumbs up, subscribing around here. This is the link to the next lesson, and here you will find the entire unit. Now you're able to finish 5.18 and have fun.